Watermelon is certainly a well-known fruit. While we all enjoy consuming this sweet rejuvenating fruit, we generally throw out the tiny seeds scattered within it without realizing, or rather realizing of their health advantages. These types of seeds consist of nutrition, which includes fatty acids, essential proteins and a lot of minerals. These types of seeds are full of vitamin B just like thiamine, niacin, folate and minerals like magnesium, potassium, manganese, iron, zinc, phosphorus and copper. Besides, they're a great resource of calories along with 100 grams of watermelon seeds, offering about 600 grams of calories. Watermelon seeds contain citrulline substance, which acts as an antioxidant, promotes expansion of blood vessels, and have positive effect in case of arteriosclerosis, hypertension, angina and erectile dysfunction. Here's the magic recipe. Take 20 to 30 watermelon seeds, grind them and boil them for 15 minutes in 2 liters of water. This amount will be enough to be disposed and consumed 2 days, and you should make a pause the 3rd day. Repeat the procedure for several weeks, but it is mandatory to pause every 3rd day. Health benefits of watermelon seeds. As mentioned previously, watermelon seeds really are a rich source of nutrition as well as minerals, and for that reason, shouldn't be thrown away. These types of seeds have got a tough outer covering, so that they ought to be chewed just before swallowing to obtain their nutritional content. A few of the health advantages of watermelon seeds. Protect heart health. Full of magnesium, the seeds assist safeguarding your heart, therefore it could work normally. Additionally, it maintains blood pressure level and enhances metabolism process. The seeds are fantastic to avoid us for suffering heart diseases as well as hypertension. Prevent aging. The antioxidant content within the seeds assist you to avoid aging, strengthen your skin, keep healthier as well as young. Clean acne. Take cotton bud and dip it on watermelon seed oil. Use it in your face to clean acne, dirt as well as dead skin cells. This particular oil is suitable for each and every kind of skin and may assist deal with skin ailment. Strengthen hair. The high protein as well as amino acid content within the seeds can easily strengthen hair. Additionally, roasted watermelon seeds could make your hair shiny since they have copper that produce melanin, a pigment that gives color for hair. Treat itchy scalp. Watermelon seed oil possesses mild texture, therefore it could be absorbed easily. The oil can be used as moisturizer for dried, itchy scalp or even scalp with dandruff. Prevent hair damage. The seeds include essential fatty acids, which will avoid hair damage, blood pressure regulation, and coronary heart disease prevention. Arginine helps you to balance blood pressure, as well as dealing with coronary heart disease. Coronary heart disease is definitely the illness that is a result of the narrowing of the arterial vessels, blocking blood circulation. Arginine, an important component present in watermelon seeds, helps prevent narrowing of blood vessels. Other amino acids present in these types of amazing seeds are tryptophan and lysine. Rich source of magnesium for better immune system. We're not through this unique seeds. The advantages of consuming watermelon seeds make sure a lot supply of magnesium. Magnesium is mainly present in foods like wheat, rice, oat as well as cocoa powder. It is important for sustaining a healthy defense mechanisms. Its insufficiency can result in muscle spasm, heart diseases, diabetes amongst others. Pantothenic acid is additionally known as vitamin B5. It's essential for breaking down carbohydrates into energy, and is also mainly present in legumes, animal meat as well as vegetables. Dietary management of beriberi caused by vitamin B6 deficiency. It's a water-soluble vitamin whose insufficiency may cause a condition referred to as beriberi. B6 is really a complex vitamin B, also is water-soluble, helping convert carbohydrate into energy. It is crucial for the creation of neurotransmitters. Provides essential amino acids. Arginine and lysine are among the amino acids that is needed by the body for performing in the perfect way. The former works well for enhancing the metabolism within the body, and also the latter is effective for the assimilation of calcium for strengthening the bones and the tissues. These types of amino acids also provide wonderful benefits for the sexual health. Gives unsaturated healthy fats to the body. About 80% of the fat in watermelon seeds are unsaturated fats, as well as healthy naturally with an addition of omega fatty 3 acids. Usage of watermelon seeds just means great deal of energy to the body with no additional calories. A cupful of dried watermelon seeds can fulfill half the necessity for health fats daily. Hair and nails. The reason watermelon seeds might help keep our hair healthy and glossy, and our fingernails long and robust is because they also include a good amount of protein within them. The protein within watermelon seeds even include other amino acids in them like lysine, arginine, tryptophan, and glutamic acid, all of which are important amino acids necessary for body to keep hair healthy as well as fingernails sturdy. Magnesium source. The seeds of the fruits have got good amounts of magnesium within them, that just works well for maintaining lots of body functions in a perfect manner. It will help in perfect functioning of the heart and in addition strikes a balance within the blood pressure levels. It may also manage diabetes to a good extent together, with offering support to the metabolic process within the body. Watermelon seeds can cure edema. Toss a teaspoon of dry and ground watermelon seeds in the teaspoon of honey, and put this combination in 3/4 cup of warm water. Mix well and consume immediately, at least 2 times a day. This particular exercise helps you to control edema problem. Enhances male fertility. The lycopene antioxidant in watermelon seeds is definitely an excellent and efficient home remedial method to boost the male potency levels in men. This ought to be possible by including the dried seeds within the everyday diet. Recovery benefits. After any illness, one can possibly utilize watermelon seeds within the diet for proper recovery from the crisis. The effects are very noticeable over a couple of days. For those along with memory issues, watermelon seeds can help recover an excellent and sharp memory once again. Treats diabetes. A handful of watermelon seeds in the liter of water for 45 minutes ought to be taken every day like a home remedy for diabetes control. This really is one of the benefits worthy enough to be pointed out here, due to the prevalence of diabetes within the population. Moisturizes the skin. The fatty acids within the watermelon seeds is an ideal use for soft, supple and moisturized skin. Additionally, it adds firmness as well as helps prevent skin conditions as well as acne issues. Overall, it maintains good health of the skin along with application as well as consumption. Keeps the hair black. Copper is among the minerals contained in watermelon seeds, which promote the creation of melanin within the body liable for providing color to the hair. Additionally, it offers the color to the skin. Prevents hair breakage. The essential fatty acids in watermelon seed oil works well for nourishing the hair strands deeply. This particular makes certain proper strength of the hair, and causes it to be a point that hair breakage is kept at bay. You can usually combine the oil along with carrier oil and massage on the scalp once each week.